In our protocol, you are eating normal foods, and we are killing off Candida, which has been the culprit inside of you screaming, "Woman, get me sugar and get it now." So we've killed that thing with our awesome product, Skinny Up Yeast Redux. So you finish our protocol. We've reset your metabolism by working with your hypothalamus, tiny little portion of your brain that controls weight loss, almost like a thermostat. You've learned new ideas, or perhaps we just refreshed information you knew long ago about eating in a healthy manner. And we've reestablished that sweet lifestyle eating that will maintain your weight loss. We've gotten rid of cravings or the Candida that used to live inside of you that was yelling at you, saying, "I need the sugar." We've gotten rid of that. And so we've addressed those issues so people are able to maintain the weight loss and the sweet, healthy metabolism as they go forward. So we feel like, and I'm pretty sure we've done it, that the Skinny Up protocol really addresses that lifestyle need you were looking for.